Tesla is one of the most future-oriented companies in the world. But how do you withdraw data as quick as possible and also evaluate it? The first step is the correct representation, and Sparks has the perfect feature for that. As an example, we use the Activa and Passiva from Tesla from the years 2019 and 2020. Let's start. First, create your Sparks chart. When you don't know how to create and edit a professional Sparks chart, please watch our previous videos. Now you see an edited Sparks chart, and I will show you the 3 different ways of exporting it in PowerPoint. First, I will show you the export just as an image. Click on your chart and click on the PowerPoint export icon. Choose the export type. In first case, we use the export just as an image. Then choose the PowerPoint file in which you want to add the chart and click OK. Now you can see that the chart is automatically exported in your PowerPoint file as an image. Now you can place it at the desired location. The second export type is the export as an OLI link. Create your Sparks chart. Click on the PowerPoint export icon. Choose as OLI link and then choose the PowerPoint file in which you want to add the chart and click OK. Now you can see that the chart is automatically exported in your PowerPoint file as a linked object. Place it at the desired location. And now the crucial point of this export type. If you change data in your Excel file, the data in your PowerPoint file will also change automatically. As you can see, we change the short-term liabilities data to 500 and the columns change directly. The third export type is the export as an object. Create your Sparks chart. Click on the PowerPoint export icon. Choose as an object and choose the PowerPoint file in which you want to add the chart and click OK. Then choose the alignment type in which slide you want to place it and the shape position. As you can see, the chart is automatically added at the position you have chosen. And now the crucial point of this export type. PowerPoint copies the shapes from Excel, so that the chart in PowerPoint is also displayed in shapes. This enables the best possible resolution of the representation and is advantageous for a presentation with a beamer. Now you know how you can export a chart which is linked to Sparks and PowerPoint and how you can save a lot of work and time.